Let's start with a bit of a neck, for instance. So tiny bit of lotion, you see, very little amount, so you just have the possibility to slide on the skin without having problems. And then you can use the knuckle, this knuckle here. Very simple. All the hand is down, so open hand, close a hand, put it down, and you will see, I take off this, you will see that this knuckle here can do this movement. Is a movement clockwise in this moment. So two hands, you go a bit down here, and with the knuckles you can start to move clockwise. After that you have moved clockwise, you can turn anti-clockwise and you can slide out. So from here, where the neck meets the shoulder, you can go out towards the edge of the shoulder over here, always with this knuckle. With two hands on the two sides. So you can work in a circular way and out.